Hello everybody. So today I'm going to be showing you how to animate anything on Blender. I mean anything. Like you could get this and then I'm just going to make a platform real quick. So let me lift this up. Then I'm gonna grab this and then we're just gonna do something like this. Well, if it would work. There we go. I'm gonna make the ball roll on that and go from there. Now we're just gonna bring this over here. If you want to make it visibly moving to where you can actually visibly see it moving, then go ahead and give it a deformity or something, you know? Like, go ahead and go to one of the faces and make a pillar out of it. Just so you know it's moving. This is just so you can know it's moving. Now, what you're gonna do is, you see this down here? You're gonna go to King, you're gonna go to, then you're gonna go to this and click this, and then you're gonna want to go to Location, Rotation, and Scale. And then you got to add a key at first. Wait, we need an object. We need to click our object. Then we click add, and then we're going to bring it there. And then if you want it to roll, bring it to the specified spot. And then you're gonna want to do this. Just make it roll. And then you're gonna add another key. And we're gonna go over here, make it roll farther. Smile a little bit, and then one more time. After we add another key, always gotta add a key, and we're gonna add one more all the way at the end. And then all you gotta do is add one more key. A simple thing, and then we're gonna click start. See? It's rolling. Simple way to animate anything in Blender. And that's been Blender animation tutorial. See you later. If you did everything that I did, then you should end up with a product like this. This is the end result.